The Cooperative Foundation of the Philippines, and also with him, we organized the first 10 million peso project for Tawi-Tawi sewage farmers. And that was the first time that Boy ever visited Tawi-Tawi because of that project. Then when I was SPD administrator and Boy was the secretary of the Department of Agrarian Reform, I invited him to come over to Mindanao, to Davao head office, and where I gave him a testimonial sort of dinner for him, no? Because he has always been helping us, no? And for a Muslim, Boy was singularly focused on helping the marginalized people, and he had the heart for his Muslim brothers, even as early as that time and onwards in his professional life. And to us, it's a big loss for the Muslims because he would have made a very effective president of this country, to say the least, and even to lead this nation towards unity and reconciliation, which is not within our grasp within this administration, and I don't know, maybe even the next administration.